Oh. Hey guys, I'm back at Anthem. Oh, that popped in the air. I was gonna go to a different park today, but that didn't end up working out. I didn't really do a GoPro segment here. I know you guys just saw the GoPro segment of Juju from earlier. That was last night. I wasn't really vibing last night because I was tired. I'm gonna try to ride around this park a little bit right now, get you guys some GoPro footage, get warmed up, maybe put on the knee pads. We'll see how it goes. There's less people here now, so I can actually hit the gaps and stuff. Whoa, that was a nice start. I'll hit hip right here. Whip this next way. Jump the roller. And untwist the step up. Oh my God. He almost died. I want to hit that gap. I'm going to try to hit this kind of there. All right, clip. I clipped again. All right, I'm gonna grab some water real quick and then we'll jump in again.
Oh shit, that's my peg. Oh shit. Oh, that's fucking loud.
Amplifies it.
Oh, put one in your bar now.
Yeah, you could do that.
Yeah, you wanna do it?
Sure.
Oh, it just came out this side. You gotta put it in more if it's gonna shoot out. Yeah, you gotta light it and chuck it. Hold on, my cock is about that. Oh yeah, that's in. Oh, it shot out. It fucking hit me.
Did it shoot out?
Over there.
On the other side or on this side?
Yeah, it went out on the other side.
Yeah. We got her. Whoa. Now, quick step up trick, bar with bar. I'm gonna do something over this little roller thing. Let's get this bar with bar real quick. Oh, that counts.
Clean. Let's see a whip, Damien.
Now I'm gonna three this roller because I tried it earlier, but I wanted to finish the bar with bar real quick, and then hopefully I'll get some bank-to-bank stuff too, because it's pretty fun. Yeah. I'm kind of hyped on that 360 over the Twinkie thing. Now I'm gonna ride a little bit of air right here, get some warm up. Just the simple tricks, buttercups, spry whip, those things. Right. Quarter's a little weird. Ah, I saved myself though. This ground's really hot. Gosh, this quarter's weird. I'm not going to those tricks yet. I'm gonna try to get used to the quarter real quick. Jump this. Jump bar air. Bar the gap. Bar up there. Come on. So I'm gonna ride the step up again. Let's do 360 whip front scoot up the step up. First tee. And then untwist, finger double. I threw it weird. Do that again. How about since I just did 3 whip front scoot up this, I do the untwist finger double over the hip over there since I didn't land anything on that. Oh! It's pretty hot right now. I got a little session in. I'll probably head out for a little bit right now, maybe eat something and then come back later. There's gonna be some pretty crazy stuff with fireworks tonight, so I'm gonna get all that on footage too. I'll see you guys when I'm out doing things again. I just need a little break from the sun. I don't know if this segment will be really long, because both my GoPros are at like 0% and this one's at 20. But I came back after like an hour of chilling at the house, starting to cool off, I think, feels like, and get a little bit of riding in.
Hey, let's shoot this.
Shoot at them over there, G.
All right, bet, G. Hey, dog.
At them.
Oh. Hey. You're lucky it's out.
Hey guys, we're at Anthem. We're about to go to Bam's house, Bam Apodaca, Schnider. I'm gonna ride around a little bit, get a little bit of chill clips, you know? I got my backpack on, so can't be doing stuff hecka reckless, you know? I'm gonna pull a Josh, hit the camera. Dude, there's so many fireworks going on.
All right, let's get this one.
All right.
Oh no, it's flipped off.
Oh, I messed up. Yeah. And I was like this when you went up to it, so I'm gonna go like more like this. You were perfect. I'll just measure it by like how fast you're going, you know.
All right, let's drop in for the top. I'll do triple heels. You can feel what you want.
All right.
Can you really?
Yeah. Or should I do a leg grab bar?
Yeah, do leg grab bar. I'll do
All right, go. Yeah, you go first and then I'll go. All right, triple heel. We'll do it on the way back. First 4th of July in America, you're at Vegas, ever. If you guys did not know, Logan came from Germany.
I've never seen this many fireworks before. Just
Yeah.
All right, let's get this.
Oh my God, my bad.
Yeah.
All right, let's get we can get the line now. If we land it, just go right after I land.
Yeah. Not out of nowhere.
Yeah, I know. I feel like these girls are gonna get in our way, but we can go right now. Logan, I dipped out. I saw the biker. I was like, nah.
Yeah.
Oh. All right, let's go to the double roller stuff up. That's weird. There's no pop.
Actually, there's too much pop.